Why do the hardest workers become replaceable parts? A product manager fell seriously ill, hospitalized twice. After leaving, she wrote 75,000 words on how a flagship AI product launched and died. Interviewees had to add family members to group chats. Half-day leave meant poor performance reviews. Daily sprints made teams great at instant response, but destroyed deep thinking. An auto-read feature users called read receipt anxiety, not one company. An industry-wide problem. Kant said people are ends in themselves. Link leave to performance, you turn humans into tools, tools wear out, humans grow. The enemy of efficiency is not rest, it is internal friction. High-pressure sprints feed reports and starve products. One AI company, no overtime, no clock-in, built world-class models. Because space for complete thinking beats speed of instant response. AI should reduce work, not create more. A healthy organization lets you watch a sunset after work, read to your child, pursue a hobby unrelated to your job. Those seemingly useless moments are a creator's most precious nutrients. The more powerful technology becomes, the more we must hold onto one simple truth: let humans be human. The factory farm cages birds meant to soar. Our job is not to train birds into chickens. It is to turn every factory farm into a prairie where every bird can take flight. What do you think?